you're not going to see a lot of me in this video because I'm filming using my phone. It doesn't like to see close up, but these are what we're just going to use, obviously, and an abundance of microfibers. I'm just going to hoover it out. To keep it JDM, we have some wash mist from Nippon Shine, pure JDM goodness, and then my go-to 303. So 303 is a UV blocker. So the dash on this is actually in really good condition. Obviously, all the centre console is a few little marks, but she's tidy. I mean, she's getting used. So we're going to go for hoover out first. I'm not going to film for obvious reasons. Then we'll have a quick wash over with wash mist and 303 and see what the results turn out like. Apologies if this turns out rubbish. Literally, you're balanced on the seat. Car's running just because we've just washed it and let it dry through. Wash mist, first one. So you can either do this a couple of ways. This is literally safe to spray on anything and everything. I've used it on my couple of even non-JDM cars. But you know, it's suitable for this, full JDM. So you can either go through cloth, which is what we'll do, we'll come over to the steering wheel. But for now, we are literally, find somewhere to put it. It is literally a wash. So we can do all the dash top. It's safe to use on all the dials. Little JDM speakery malarkey. You can use it across all your stereo. That's going to definitely, if I'm not careful. And of course, we cause mayhem because I'm hitting all of the controls. So you come down, maybe totally out of shot. We'll see. You know, you guys are on this journey with me. But it's not a big dirty in here. It is one I've done before, so, and it smells beautiful. Sorry if that was a massively extreme close-up. As you can tell, doing the steering wheel if it's not in the camera frame. But it doesn't leave a big... That was me hitting the intercooler pump. It doesn't leave a big shine like the 303 will. God, this is awkward in here. So it's just given a nice clean wipe. I mean, this car was clean as it is. And you can see where these are proper spec C mats. In fact, I need to give this door a quick wipe. As you can see, I'm very liberal with this. The glass will be getting done separately, but it's nice just to wipe everything that you'd normally touch. I mean, these are notorious for getting the kick marks across them. So that's all we're going to use with the 303. We're going to move, on with the wash mist. Honestly, I wish you could smell it. It is beautiful. Just come out of the car, you can just see the cleanness across it, which is one of the things that makes this car really special. Really special. It is proper JDM uniqueness. So we're going to move into the 303, which this will be a little bit longer because this is greasy. You don't want it everywhere. I'm going to use it on the dash top and top of door trims, just to protect them from UV. So I, I think I may try and stand you outside the car, see if you get, well, it's probably going to be too low, you might get a better view of me darting in and out. Like I said, this is a journey. We're all on it together. So I'm just going to fold it through. I'm going to use a very small section. I don't like the high sheen. I don't. It's not for me. JD and goodness stickers. So I'm just going to use it as a UV protectant, and then later on you'll see we'll treat other rubbers with it as well, give it some discoloration. So I'm just going to apply some to my clean microfiber and buff it in. Look up that bit. So we're just going to work it back and forward. It's all the surfaces on these that are renowned for suffering some UV damage. Essentially, it's going to keep the black and stop it all turning grey. But yeah, you just need to be a little bit careful with the cast stuff. It is slightly greasy, not horrendous, but if you like that low sheen OEM, then you need to be careful. And we've already wiped this with wash mist, so that shows you there's always more when you start working these areas. Lightly. I'm trying not to get any into the cloth too much. It's not the end of the world. It does dry out, but the car's going to be sat in the dark for probably almost next month. So if we grab you, take you round inside, you can see from here my non-JDM auto gun. So when we do brakes, we're going to switch that out. That is going to become Godspeed. Godspeed are kind enough to give us a throw-in, as I'm going to call it, throw-in. When we bought the brakes, which we still haven't fitted, it's on the list. It is a big list, and not a lot of time left to do it. All this does is give all these surfaces a little bit of protection. It's not a lot, enough, and this is what you end up with. A little bit more sheen. Ignore the auto gun blowing. But yeah, just a little more sheen. And the hardest thing is remembering to get and touch and do every surface you want to dress with it. So I'm dressing all the leather around the gears, shift, all the centre console, into the cup holders, because any little protection in there. But I'm also going to do just inside a little catch tray on the rear, and just wipe it into those sides a little bit to get rid of any scuffing. And it is literally that easy. There's no need to buff it off. The only time I've ever found you have to buff is if you've done it a little bit too much. But that is really all this car needs. You see, go up. Actually, the roof line is fine. It is spexy. I have a little hatch. what this car needs. I might just go around and touch up a few bits off camera, like rear ones, but she's pretty good. But yeah, they are my products of choice currently. So I'm probably going to put this away. I started editing one of the 3 videos I've got for you. Expect a lot in the next few weeks. I've just noticed whether I can get to it. My JD and Goodness flare. I do have a flare holder down here somewhere. I'm never sure if I'm allowed to have that in the car or not. I just don't know. I'm probably going to play safe and take it out. But there you go, bonus extra at the end of this film. Thanks for watching. Any comments? Obviously, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for your support.